Hi, I'm Jeff Strong, Community Health Director at Primary Children's Hospital. Today, we're going to talk about hot cars. As we know, the summertime in the West gets very, very hot. And every year, unfortunately, there are kids that are left alone in hot cars that lead to fatalities. Leaving a child unattended in a vehicle, even for a few minutes, can risk their life. A third of children who die from being left in a hot car are less than 1 year old. And most of the time, this is an accident. Parents who are sleep deprived or stressed or have a change of routine are more likely to forget a child, not because they intend to, but because their brain goes into autopilot and they may inadvertently leave that child in a vehicle. Make a habit of checking the vehicle before you leave. You can even leave something in the back seat that you know you'll need at your destination, such as your purse, your cell phone, or even putting a teddy bear on the front seat of your car to remind you that there's a child in the back seat. It's also a good idea to have communication with childcare providers or others so that if your child doesn't arrive at their designated time, that they reach out to you and you can check to see if maybe that child was left in a vehicle. If you see a child left alone in a car, call the police or 911. Make sure you lock your car doors even when your vehicle is at home so children don't climb in and inadvertently get stuck in a vehicle. And teach your kids that cars are not places to play under any circumstances. We hope you'll have a very fun and safe summer.